Welcome back, Jared with Team Montana here at TRRV. I am standing in a 2021 331 RL rear living with the dual vanity sinks up in the bathroom. This one was custom ordered for some customers out of Pennsylvania, so everybody comes here to get a good deal. Give me a call. Contact information is down below in the comments. Give me an email, even a text message. Love to talk to you guys and love this brand, so let's check it out, see what we can get into. Alright, so this is the 331 with the residential fridge. A brand new brand for Keystone. It is the GE brand with a built-in water filtration system and a water spigot to fill up a water jug right here. Some assembly required. And then your filtration system up on the top. Does have an ice maker down in the bottom. It is 18 cubic feet. It's the largest that they make for the RVs. This is the Homestead interior color. Kind of hard to tell for me, but the difference between the graphite and the Homestead. Homestead has a little bit more brown tone to it. You know, Homestead kind of like a farm style. And also your side valances are incorporated with that Homestead. So when you get graphite, it's more gray, kind of a solid tone. And then your seating obviously is like a stone color, like graphite. So either way, you can't go wrong. They both go beautifully with this modern color scheme inside called Mystic Ash. So this is a standard. You cannot order it any other way. Don't know why you'd want to, because it is spot on. So I beat the guys to it this time finally. So it's got the television still in here along with the stereo that has A and B surround, so it will play inside and outside. And then you've got your nice fireplace down on the bottom. And with all of those, you get remotes. Yes, you do. So you can control from anywhere and everywhere. So this is going to be for your stereo / DVD player. This is for your television. And this is going to be for your fireplace. So you can control the colors. You can set a timer. You can control the temperature and all that good stuff. So I'd show you how all that works, but I'm currently just hooked to my car. Got all the lights on, and we've been pretty busy, so I'm not able to show you with it plugged in. Alright, so these are Thomas Paine high-end power recliners. They've got USB chargers in the controls to kick back. You've got cup holders built in and a nice storage bin for your TV remotes. Humongous windows, absolutely beautiful. No cabinets on this side to intrude with that view. Absolutely gorgeous. You do have cabinets up above the trifold sofa with outlets on both sides and USB ports. That's pretty neat. So plenty of charging options when you are sitting back, relaxing, enjoying life. Alright, so this is an upgrade. Standard is going to be the booth. We order everything in with the upgraded freestanding chairs and table. I have the add a leaf currently extended out. That way you can see that there's plenty of room here to play some cards. You know, sit down and enjoy your dinner. Real quick, so these are 0 degree tested, so these are warranted for full-time use. And what they're saying by this is that it's completely acceptable to camp in this below 0. So I had a customer in North Dakota, and he lived in this thing when it was 17 below with no problem. So you have heated holding tanks going to be right here. All of your tanks are heated. These are all your slide controls, lights, water heater, water pump, ceiling fan, solar prep. The list goes on and on. I'm going to try and make this a little bit quicker of a video than I have in the past and not bore you with all the details. So over here, again, this is the 331 High Country RL. You've got your nicely organized pantry with the motion sensor light up on top. You have an inverted outlet right here. Standard is solar prepped with a 2000 watt inverter only on the residential package. I'm sorry, they're all residential packages, but with this residential model fridge. Otherwise, it's just prepped. It doesn't actually have the inverter in the system. So just some nice storage overall. You've got your Suburban stove and oven combo. Nice flip up backsplash there, so you don't have to worry about having to clean in between these grout lines. Humongous microwave oven. This is not convection. You only get convection in a Montana, not a Montana High Country. So the Montana High Country is actually a step below what the Montana is. It's designed to be lighter weight and a little bit less money. Plenty of storage over here in the kitchen. A very nice side table. You could put a coffee maker over there, maybe even a margarita mixer. Let me know what you guys would do. But it's convenient that they put a plug over here and then a plug here as well. I've also seen other brands, they just put an outlet here. It's very inconvenient. Plenty of storage all the way up to the ceiling, as well these little side cubbies, all kinds of stuff. So stepping up into the hallway, we have the central vacuum system that is new for the High Countries. You got a built-in handrail. It's very stout. Let's go check out this bathroom. This bathroom is awesome. One of the best-selling features. So you've got his and hers, dual sinks, ton of storage all over the place. Plenty, plenty, plenty. You've got the porcelain toilet with the hangers up above so you can put your towels. One piece, seamless, absolutely no seams. Usually they have them down along the bottom. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower with the built-in skylight for you tall folks. They even have gone to the extent of cutting little slots in this for the water to drain out so it's not going to collect. And then back behind the door here, we've got plenty of linen storage. And this specific, sorry, I had to show off that magnet because that's pretty neat. So this specific model was equipped with the Max Air fan. That is not a standard, that's a $300 upgraded option, which the controls are right here. Stepping into the bedroom, this is a king-size bed. And everything you see here is standard except for the king-size bed with storage underneath and your central vacuum hose. Washer and dryer prep back behind door number 1. Motion sensor lights again. So there's 2 different settings. The number 2 is for motion. Number 1 is always on. 0 is off. All right. Got your own outlets dedicated to the washer and dryer on their own circuits, water connections, and just some plumbing running back behind that board. So obviously that all comes out if you add a washer and dryer, which is easy peasy. We do it all the time. Again, another motion sensor light with, I'll show you real quick. So you've got mirrors so you can see yourself getting ready in the morning, and also opens up the feel of this entire coach. So you've got hanging shelf right there, and yes, it is vented for circulation. All right, here we have it. Second air conditioner, again a standard. This is just a drop-in unit. When you get into a Montana, it's whisper quiet in the bedroom. And then your wardrobe with television prep up above. Nice big window here. So you have it on the inside. Let's go check out the outside. One last look at this restroom. Very, very nice. Yes, there's heat ducts in the floor. It is the best way to distribute heat. It's a 14-inch wide by 3-inch tall heat duct. It distributes it in a nice straight line. You get the best flow. If you start adding little kinks with 3-inch hoses all throughout, that's going to slow down the airflow dramatically, which is going to give you hot and cold spots. Enough about that. Let's check out the outside. 2 awnings is a standard. Got your ginormous pass-through storage up front. 1 propane tank on the side here, 30-pounder. You've got another 30-pounder on the side. And your ginormous pass-through storage. With your TV prep for outside, they make a bracket that hooks in here that will slide out so you can enjoy a television outside, or even just simply put it on the floor of your pass-through. Outside speakers up towards the top, built-in LED lights. You've got the very nice solid steps that fold up right into the doorway. So this specific model was ordered with the dual pans. That is not a standard. They are usually a framed window, not frameless, like this current model. You got the ladder on the back, 3,000 pound towing hitch with the plug. backup camera prep, plug and play system. You can get the camera yourself, do it in about 10 minutes. It wirelessly connects to your truck via Bluetooth, so as long as you have a cigarette lighter port in your truck, you can get that set up within a matter of minutes. So over here on the frame, you can see you've got that little poop tube, and here is your outlet, and everything is fully enclosed underbelly. This is a full-time living 0-degree rated rig. One gray tank valve, everything else is going to be over here in your hookups in your wet bay. So you've got black tank, gray tank on the bottom, tank flush, all that good stuff in there. And even satellite prep to the roof now, which is new. That's what that blue cable is that's running to the top. And while we're talking about utility stuff, you got a 35,000 BTU furnace, 12-gallon hot. Sorry, it's not a hot water heater. It is a water heater. But that is gas and electric. So it has the fastest recovery rate, 18 gallons per hour recovery. Again, with the residential, so the 331RL, you get the 2,000 watt inverter. If you buy just the 330, which has the propane fridge, you do not get this, but the wiring is all there. It's prepped, it's easy peasy plug in. I always recommend the residential, unless you're doing dry camping, then I understand. Your other 30-pound tank with your auto changeover regulator. So this is in red right now. As it's full, it's going to be green, and it'll slowly turn to red. This dial will then move over to the next tank. All right, so this unit is 37 feet long. It weighs 11,830 pounds. It can hold up to 14,260, and that's it. So there you have the specs. Automatic leveling. It is a 4-point automatic leveling system. It is hydraulic. So there you have it. And up front is your battery compartment. You get 2 batteries with this model. If you get the propane fridge, you only get 1 battery. And then on the side here, you've got your generator prep area. Again, this is not prepped. It just has the space for it. So you still have to pay for the prep. But it's nice that that space is dedicated just to the generator. Nice road armor pin box, so it's like a MORryde system. Makes riding a lot easier on you, the truck, and the trailer itself. Just look at this thing, it's beautiful. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please give me a call, send me a text. I love talking about the Montanas. They are the best brand out there. Located here in Elkhart, Indiana, 20 miles from the factory. Thank you guys. Have a great day.